In this video, we are going to see how we can uninstall the Python in Windows 11. Whether you have multiple versions or whether you have a single version, here's how you can do the uninstallation process. First of all, we want to head over to the start menu and right here settings, hit enter. And on the left hand side, we will see this apps section. Click on that and we click on the installed apps. And from here, we just write Python. And as you can see, there's only one instance recorded. The second one is only the Python launcher. So we just click on the three dots next to it and we hit on uninstall. It will show you this message that this app and its related info will be uninstalled. So if you want to confirm, just click on uninstall and it will start the removal process just like so. And there it shows this message, uninstall was successful. Click close and you're good to go. You might need to restart your computer once in order to make that effective, and that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.